paper 2 external, a question on mappings and relations. Say the set ordered pairs below shows the corresponding values of x and y. So these pairs, they are showing the corresponding values of what? X and y. So meaning in the first pair, this is x, this is y. In the second pair, this is x, this is what? Y. This is x, this is y, and this is x, this is what? Y. That's the meaning. Okay? So if x is negative 1, y is also negative 3. If x is 0, y is also 0. If x is 1, y is 3. If x is 2, y is what? 6. Then they are saying, find the function or the formula that describes the relationship between x and y. Okay? They want you to come up with a formula which is describing what is happening here. If x is negative 1, y is negative 1. If x is 0, y is also 0. They want you to come up with a formula. Okay? Then question normally repeat saying find the value of y if find the value of x if y is equal to 30. Find the value of x if y is equal to 30. Very good. So in this case, due to this space is very, very small, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a method which is different from this one, right? Okay? So I'm going to use a different method. Okay? But we are going to the same concept. Okay? Even if you use this method or this method I'm going to use, you still get the same answers. Are we together, people? Yeah. Now, we can move on. So in this case, people, remember what I said? If you have been given, let's say, pairs of corresponding let's say, numbers of x and y. What you do is just get two pairs. Just get two pairs. Let's say you get this pair and this pair. So I'm just going to get two pairs. I'm going to get negative 1, comma, negative 3, and also 0, comma, 0. Okay. Now, since we are saying these are corresponding values of x and y, this is x, this is what? Y. This is x, this is also y. Okay? So since we have got this x and this x, so to differentiate the two, we are going, this is x1, this is x2. Then this is going to be y1, this is y2. Okay? Now remember what I said, for you to come up with a formula or a function, the equation we use is, the standard is y is equal to mx plus what? Plus c. This is the equation we use. So the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay? Where in this equation, what are you supposed to find? In this equation, what is only needed is m and what? C. Only these two are important. You need to find m, you also need to find what? C. Okay? So after finding, let's say, the value of m and the value of c, you just substitute in this equation, and that one becomes what? Becomes your formula. Are we together? So we're going to find m. Let us find m, guys. So finding m, we find m by saying m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay. So you say m is equal to, what is a y2? Y2 is 0. 0 minus, what is y1? Negative what? Negative 1. Okay? Then over, what is our x2? X2 is 0 minus x1 is what? X1 is what, people? Sorry, I've made a mistake somewhere. I've made a mistake somewhere. Sorry, look at this one. What is y1? Y1 is negative 3, not negative 1. So sorry for this one. Y1 is negative 3. What about y2? Y2 it's okay, it is 0. Then x1. X1 is what? Negative 1, right? X1 is negative 1. Are we together, people? So m is equal to 0, negative times negative is positive, 3, then you have got over 0, negative times negative is positive, positive 1. Are we together, people? Then you say m is equal to 0 plus 3 get what? 3 over 0 plus 1 get 1. So m is equal to 1 into 3 is what? 3. So m is equal to what? 3. Aye. So m is 3. Now, next one, we need to find c, okay? We need to find what is c, okay? So for us to find c, we know m is what? 3, aye? M is what? 3. M is 3. M is 3, aye? So we know that m is 3. M is 3. Then we need to get any pair between the two, or we can get any pair from this. Okay? So which pair are we going to get? We can get 0, 0, eh? We can get 0, 0 or negative 1, negative 3. So which one can we get?
0, 0.
Okay, let's get 0, 0, 0, 0. So if you get 0, 0, x here is 0, eh? X is 0 and y is also what? 0. Then we are going to use the same equation, which is y is equal to mx plus what? C. Now where there is x, we are going to put 0 in. And where there is y, we are going to put 0. Where there is m, we put what? 3 in. So where there is y, we put 0. So 0 is equal to, where there is m, we put 3. Where there is x, we put what? 0 plus what? C. So 0 is equal to 3 times 0, 0 plus what? C. So c is equal to 0. Just say c is equal to what? 0. So c is equal to 0. So having known what m is to be 3 and what c is to be 0, you just substitute in this equation. So you just say the equation is y. So this is Roman numeral 1. Y is equal to mx plus what? Plus c, guys. So what is our m? Where there is m, just put the value of m, and where there is c, put the value of what? C. And x and y and x should remain as part of the formula of function. So you maintain y, then what is our m, guys? 3 x plus what is our c? 0. So here it's like we don't have anything, right? There is nothing here, just say y is equal to 3x. So y is equal to 3x, this is our what? This is our function of our formula. So this is our answer for the first question. Then the next question is saying, find the value of x if y equals 30. So it says, Roman numeral 2, they want the value of what? X if y is equal to 8. So we're going to use the same formula. Y is equal to 3 what? 3x. Now what do we want? We want x. We want x if y is equal to 8. So where there is y, you just put what? 8. So you put 38. 30 is equal to 3 what? 3x. Now we want x. So for us to remain with x, divide both sides by 3 over 3 over 3. So these are going to go, x is equal to 3 into 30 is what? It's 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10. You get 4 marks. So you get 2 marks for this one. You get 2 marks for this one. As simple as that. Put it together.